boy Steezy Nation back with another YouTube video for y'all today, man. Today we about to do another reaction video, you know what I'm saying? We about to react to my guy Complete, you know what I'm saying? The song is called Rubik's Cube, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it came out about 11 months ago, got about 129K views so far, you know what I'm saying? So it should be lit, man. I fuck with Complete, you know, even though he's kind of weird, you know what I'm saying? But I fuck with him, it's a fire weird. But we about to see this song we're hitting for, man. It's an official video. Y'all already know what the gang is, man. The Steezy Nation and no gang. Don't forget that like button, subscribe to the nation, man. We're going to 1 million likes, 1 million views, 1 million subscribers, man. Let's get into the motherfucking video that way. Get him, Mike.
Check, 1, 2.
Check, 1, 2.
What's up, Instagram? It's Complete, bit of belief. We just made a new song called Terminal. We're going to film for it tonight. Cortex has a new camera. How's it looking? Yeah, you excited? Oh, excited? Yeah, boy. New track coming soon. New track coming soon. Yeah. This is going to be dope, man.
Complete's fire. He's really fire, dude.
For the extras.
He's a different type of rapper, you know what I'm saying? He's fire, dude.
So apparently, like a Rubik's Cube comes up on the screen, you watch it and it sends you into a hypnotic state and you just start spitting bars. I'm not watching it, fuck that.
Bro, we have to watch it.
You say, I ain't watching that.
I'll watch it.
Would y'all watch that shit?
I'm not scared.
I'm scared.
See, Complete don't give a fuck. I know how he is.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is for, you know what I'm saying? They really doing it. Look at him. You see his face? What the fuck? You know it's about to be some hardcore shit. Hold up.
I'm like a meter's age in the polluted rays of muted grays. These computers phrase when I use the cage. You missus calls me.
This nigga is so exotic, it's all square.
I'm getting no better than scuba stage, shooting safe, reducing slate to make the music the youth receive. I'm either #1 or I'm #2 on some cruising waves.
Facts.
With nudity, some coarse language and gruesome veins. May advise I may not be suitable for your human needs. I'm reading heaps of your girls and paying their student fees. I analyze the reginas, making them lose their base.
Facts.
Reducing lakes on doing sheets and Uber seats. I phone your wife while watching it overnight like a new release. I'll fucking cruise the straits and leave your crew to say they go to every one of their funerals just to shoot the creep.
Now he's ruthless. Too ruthless.
You're ruining the relaxing nature of Buddha's pace. I'm making moves the way that a scooter and cooter beats. Fucking constantly cunt, I want to be booed and tased. My mucus aches through these mutant freaks and their huge physiques. Thinking that they're tough cause they're tatted up in their juice and hate. Through beneath the secluded rape and Bermuda's rage. Using cruiser plates or their troops at least to be chewed and faced. These groupies cheat by consuming sage like some roosters bakes. Completes using craze as soon as he broke the boozer's legs. Now let me bring it back.
This shit's pretty dope, I ain't gonna lie. Complete is on some other shit though, y'all know that. Look at this dude, he's fighting like what the hell, yo. But if he was really concerned, you know what I'm saying, you know he did more than that, but just a video. Facts.
Removing cheese that you've eaten off of my boots and cleats. A nuclear race, I ate a face with some fruits and meats. Mr. Vector said that the clip's the best with some pubes and yeast. A wound that reeks of puke and semen and tunic waste. I'm quite the psycho, my life's a typo and noose the legs. But just to come to my show, these rappers would coop the wigs. I'm the Rubik's Cube that's confusing all of these stupid gays.
I'm the Rubik's Cube that's confusing. It's like it put that nigga in the trance, you know what I'm saying? Make that nigga start rapping crazy. That shit was dope though. That shit was pretty fire. Niggas, why you let me watch that, man? Yo, man, shout out to Complete. You already know what the gang is, bro. Steezy Nation and No Game. Don't forget that like button, bro. Subscribe to the Nation. Hold on, look at this guy. Don't tell me he started watching it too. Man, shout out to Complete, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what the gang is, bro. Steezy Nation and No Game. When this thing up to 1 million likes, 1 million views, 1 million subscribers, man. Y'all already know what's up, bro. Stay tuned for more videos from me, man. We got a lot more shit coming here, dig. Steezy Nation week. All summer, you dig? That week. All year long, you dig? Subscribe to the Nation right now if you haven't subscribed, man. Share this shit with everybody. Share my channel with everybody, man. Steezy Nation, we out.
Money fetish, yeah, money fetish, yeah. I got fetish. Y'all niggas broke.